Yeah, thanks for reminding me, Ishita. Yeah, so everything happens. And you people, like everybody present here, you can create the life, the kind of career you want, the kind of relationship you want, the kind of health you want, the kind of money you want, the kind of family, like everything you can also manifest. Like a day before yesterday, I was talking to Shrestha as well. So there was something. So I thought of calling her. So we were just talking to each other. So I gave her also like some tips and techniques. If you start following all these things, so you can also manifest whatever you want to manifest into your life, right? So writing, why we are writing? Because when you are writing, all the senses are involved. Your eyes are involved, your ears are involved. When you are writing, you are listening to your own words. So when you are repeating after every statement, you are speaking thank you, thank you, thank you. Why? Your all the senses are involved. You are feeling as well, you are seeing as well, you are listening as well. Okay, so that's why all these practices are that like magical. And today's practice, so welcome to day number 23, day number 23. And today we'll be talking about magical air, right? So we always take air also for granted, right? So we have always taken the air for granted since the day we were born. So we were never taught that we have to be grateful for the air as well. We are being grateful for only those things and people, those who are, beneficial for us. Those things we have bought with the money only, with the money only. जो भी चीज हमने मनी से हाउस बनाया, okay, so we are very grateful for the house. And whatever we have bought, appliances, gadgets, whatever we have bought with the money only, where money is involved, so we are being grateful for those things. But are we grateful for the air? Are we grateful for the water? Are we grateful for the oxygen? Are we grateful for the mother earth? Are we grateful for the trees? So who is going to teach us? Nobody taught us. So thank God that we are here and we are learning. God has given us that wisdom. So that's why I tell you again and again, you people are not, planned. You people didn't plan to be here. You people are planted. We all are beautiful souls. So that is some divine intelligence that has put some wisdom inside our brain that yeah, we have to do these practices and we have to learn these things because these practices are really magical. I shared in one of my sessions वो those 7 realms, वो death के बाद वो कैसे कैसे वो some kind of like these kind of things. So all these things are real. ये कहाँ से मैंने देखा, कहाँ से सीखा? The way we are practicing gratitude daily, we read in the morning at 11 a.m. My session is there 11 to 12 p.m. So at depth we are learning everything. At depth we are reading so many books, one after another. Okay, so that's why it has become my habit to go to the depth. What after this? So everything is connected in this world. Sea creatures, sea plants, समुद्र के अंदर क्या है, वो ग्लेशियर्स क्या है, everything is connected. एंड एवरीथिंग वी आर टेकिंग लाइक फॉर ग्रांटेड. जैसे कोई वो होता है ना कि रेन रेन में वो कीड़े मकोड़े भी निकलते हैं और वो कभी हम देख लें, कभी हाथ से टच हो जाए या कॉकरोच टच हो जाए या कुछ ऐसा हो जाए एंड लिजर टच हो जाए या कुछ ऐसा हो जाए, हम देख ले एंड वी फील लाइक छी 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 हाय हाय. बट दे क्रिएचर्स ऑल्सो हैव a big role in our life. And you people will be amazed to know कि मतलब इतने like they are also very precious in our life. And we have to be grateful for them as well जिनके लिए हम चीची ची, because everything is connected. Otherwise वो नहीं होते. जितने भी एनिमल्स हैं, जितने भी क्रिएचर्स हैं, जितने भी दे आर प्लेइंग देयर रोल. द वे वी आर प्लेइंग आवर रोल, दे आर ऑल्सो प्लेइंग देयर रोल. हैव यू एवर सीन एनी छोटी सी चींटी? उसका भी एक रोल है. हैव यू सीन उसकी कैसी उसकी बॉडी है, टाइनी टाइनी सी आईज, उसकी भी कितनी सारी लेग्स होती हैं. कैसे मतलब यार, मतलब गॉड इज ग्रेट, यूनिवर्स इज ग्रेट, right? Okay, so tell me one thing, and write in the chat, like what is the before we begin the session, let me ask you this question, that what is that precious thing into your life? What is that one precious thing into your life? What do you think?
It should be only thing, ma'am, or a feeling
It
as
could
well.
be anything. It could be anything. It could be family, money, health, success, relation. So what is that one thing that you think that body, okay, Ashwini has written body, health, okay, health, body, what else? Yes. What else? Mindset, health, body, mind. It could be anything. What is the most precious thing into your life? Family, money, health, success, relationship, kuch bhi, whatever it is. And what about Kulvinder? Health, body, mindset. Yeah, all these things are valuable. Health is valuable, body is valuable, mindset is okay. So Kulvinder has it
Ma'am,
itself. Yeah, some net issue. So
I
that's
think oxygen.
going up and down. Yeah, okay, got it. So myself. Yeah, all these things are valuable. What else? Oxygen. Okay, so today Ishita has written oxygen because she knows today we'll be talking about magical air. See, all these things are available. All these things are important. But why air? Why oxygen? Because otherwise we won't be able to, yeah, family is important, relationships are important, mindset is important, health is important, everything is important. But without oxygen, how we will be enjoying all these things? Your breath, your next breath. So let's imagine if next breath doesn't come, वो एक सांस नहीं आए तो क्या होगा? Yes, what will happen? So there is, like, this thing is even more precious. That makes all of them possible. All of them possible. Otherwise, family, how we will be enjoying if we are not there? Who will be enjoying the family? Who will be enjoying the health? Who will be enjoying the success? Who will be enjoying the relationships? How we will be enjoying all these things if next breath doesn't come? Right? Are you getting how important it is? If next breath doesn't come, since the day we were born till now, till this very moment, we are using that oxygen. And for oxygen, we are not getting any bill. Are we getting any bill for oxygen? We never ever got any kind of bill. And nobody is complaining. Nobody is complaining. These trees, are they complaining that you are not paying any bill, you are not paying any money to me? And this oxygen is for everyone. Like the Mother Earth is for everyone, water is for everyone, oxygen is for everyone. इस ट्रीज दे डोंट से कि मैं अश्विनी को ज्यादा दूंगी क्योंकि उसके फेस पे हमेशा स्माइल रहती है, और मैं पूनम को कम दूंगा कि उसके फेस पे स्माइल नहीं रहती है. राइट? सो दे डोंट डू लाइक दैट. दे डोंट डू लाइक वी पीपल, गुड बास्केट और बैड बास्केट. नो. Oxygen is for everyone. Water is for everyone. And when did we realize the air? Yes, we have to be grateful. When do we realize? How many times we think that, wow, yeah, we have to be thank you for the breath. We have to be thank you for the, that we are breathing, that we are alive, that we are awake. So how many seconds do we have in a day? 86,400. 86,400. And how many times you have said thank you today for the air? 1 second, 2 seconds, 5 seconds. How many times did you wake up today and you appreciated that, yeah, I'm awake and I'm breathing? And when do we realize? When our nose is blocked. When does somebody realize? When somebody has that, some kind of disease like asthma. So then only we realize. When we climb the stairs, then only we realize. When we climb the stairs and we become, breathless. So then we realize how important our breathing is. Or when we see somebody struggling in the hospital, then only we realize ki how important it is. Right? So today I'll be showing the picture. So we have to see it carefully that, beautiful picture in this lesson today. So there is this image of a tree. Okay, so let me share the screen. Yes. I was going slow so that some more people can join, but I don't know where are they busy today. Okay, so day number 23, the magical air that you breathe. Look at this beautiful tree, right? So air is there. Air is covering that tree and some magic is happening. So what are these sprinkle? What are these sprinkle that you can see? Like magic is happening. Magic is happening on what? Magic is happening on air. You know how the air is formed? The air is not only formed by the trees only. 50% oxygen, 50% air only we get from the trees. And there are many other things as well. Like ओशंस के बीच में भी जो प्लांट्स हैं, जो छोटे छोटे से क्रिएचर्स हैं, वो जो रेन के रेनी सीजन में जैसे वो ना बीच में वो डिगिंग करके सॉइल के अंदर चले जाते हैं, दे ऑल्सो प्रोड्यूस ऑक्सीजन. आई गॉट टू नो टुडे इटसेल्फ. I was searching something on the chat GPT, how air is formed. So I got to know, oh my God, like so many things are involved, so many creatures and so many other things as well, like glaciers, like everything is connected. How this air, how this universe, how this whole Brahmand, this universe is formed. It's not like कोई ऐसे ही नहीं हो गया. अब जैसे हैव यू सीन आवर बॉडी, कितने सारे इनर ऑर्गन्स है, कितने सारे आउटर ऑर्गन्स है. हैव यू सीन द सिंक्रोनोसिटी कि कैसे ये सब काम कर रहे हैं आपस में. एक चीज भी ऊपर नीचे हो जाए पूरा सिस्टम हिल जाता है. पूरा सिस्टम. एक थोड़ा सा जुकाम हो जाए उसमें पूरा सिस्टम हिल जाता है. वो कोल्ड कफ, वी डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग एनीथिंग बिकॉज दे वर्क इन द सिंक्रोनोसिटी. एक चीज थोड़ी सी ऊपर नीचे हो जाए, एवरीथिंग अराउंड एवरीथिंग अराउंड द बॉडी इट अफेक्ट्स. पूरा वो हिल जाता है सिस्टम. एक कोल्ड के साथ होगा, फिर वो कोल्ड के साथ कफ हो जाएगा, कफ के साथ वो फीवर हो जाएगा, फीवर के साथ फिर हमारी एनर्जी डाउन हो जाएगी. सो एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड लाइक दैट. फिर वो स्टेयर्स पर चढ़ेंगे तो वो हैवी होने लगेगा, राइट, एंड देन वी डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग एनीथिंग. So this air is magical. Every time, whenever we breathe, we have to say thank you. It's not like the whole day, like thank you, thank you, thank you. We have to feel it. But whenever we are, paying attention, we have to be grateful. Not every time, but in a day, 3 to 4 times, like we have to be grateful. Okay, so today Rhonda Ban will let us know like how we have to do the practice. Right? So in each and every chapter, we are learning something. So now she has given us so many different things in which you are comfortable. Start doing that. So I told you ना what is the another way to do the feel the gratitude. अभी suppose हमारी लाइट नहीं है तो हम दूसरे रूम से ले लेंगे. Do you know that example? अभी समझ में नहीं आ रहा क्या करना है, तो you can practice magical footstep, you can practice magical ingredient, you can practice magic dust, you can practice how we can come negativity to positivity. So that to do list. So whatever you feel comfortable. जैसे सपोज आपसे बैठ के नहीं बन रहा कि बैठ के आपको करना है. यू डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम कि मैं 5 से 10 मिनट बैठू, 15 मिनट बैठू, देन आई डू सम फोकस प्रैक्टिस, फोकस मेडिटेशन एंड फोकस ग्रेटिट्यूड. यू आर नॉट इन दैट कंडीशन. वो चलते फिरते कर लो. यू कैन प्रैक्टिस मैजिकल फुटस्टेप. बट डोंट एक्सक्यूज योर सेल्फ. डोंट कंप्लेन कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, आई कांट सिट, आई डोंट हैव टाइम. So Rhonda Baz has given you all the ways. You are free to do whatever you can do, whatever you are capable of. If you are not at home, you are not in the office, you are outside, you are traveling, you are in the bus, कहीं क्यू में खड़े हो, किसी किसी क्यू में खड़े हो, then you can do that. Okay, so today for 1 minute, what I want you to do is what you have to do, you have to close your eyes. So 5 times we'll be doing this, 5 times now and 5 times in the practice session also. So what we have to do, we'll be breathing 5 times. Okay, so we will breathe in and then we will hold for a second and then we will breathe out. Okay, so it's like thank you, thank you. It will be like that only. Okay, so we have to say thank you. And literally, we have to feel it from the bottom of the heart. If we are so, so, so blessed that we are, you know, the very first gift that we got when we were born, that was the breath. The very first gift that the universe gave us, that was the breath only. मम्मा का दूध भी बाद में मिला, बाकी सब चीजें बाद में मिली. सबसे पहली चीज जो हमारे बाहर आते ही जो हमें मिली, दैट वाज द ब्रेथ ओनली. And throughout our life, and that also will be taken away from us at the end when we will die. That will be the last breath. When it will be taken away from us, when we will die. Throughout the life, like we'll be using this oxygen, and we don't have to pay anything for that. कोई हमें कोई बिल नहीं आ रहा, ना हमें कोई बोल रहा है कि आपको ज्यादा मिलेगा, आपको कम मिलेगा. And nobody is saying that you have to appreciate that. Trees don't say कि Poonam, you didn't appreciate today. You have used so many oxygen, but you didn't appreciate me. So they are not telling us like that. But this is our responsibility. So now, whatever happened, it was not our fault. But now it is our responsibility. So we have to heal it. Healing is our responsibility. Right? Okay, so sit properly and straighten your back, and we'll be doing it 5 times. Okay? And we have to be very, very grateful when it goes in and when it goes out. Okay, so yes, so we'll be doing it 5 times. Breathe in, hold, be grateful, and breathe out. 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 Breathe in, hold, be grateful, breathe out. And say, thank you for the magical air that I breathe in. Thank you for the magical air that I breathe in. Thank you for the magical air that I breathe in. Yes. Come out. Did you feel the change? Did you feel happy? Ki yes, this is my responsibility. I have to be grateful. Right? So whenever you be grateful, so automatically the smile will come on your face that, yeah, I have done my part. They are doing their bit. I am doing my bit. Okay, so let's begin. Let me share.
Yes, ma'am. That's why we feel very happy after doing yoga and all.
Yes.
That is the reason. Is it, ma'am? Hmm.
Hmm. Yeah, see, in one of my sessions in my coach room, so when I was in, breakout room, so there is a lady, she teaches only deep breathing and shallow breathing. She told that, most of the diseases, can be, overcome. We can overcome most of the diseases by only deep and shallow breathing. These, breaths has that much powerful. They have that power. All these, breathing exercise, they all have that power. We can cure so many diseases if we do these practices only. So that's why we are doing, Kapal Bharti, yoga, breathing exercises, meditation, pranayam.
Meditation.
Okay. So Kapal Bharti only if we start doing. So many diseases like we can overcome. छोटी छोटी diseases तो पता भी नहीं चलेंगी कहाँ गई. Kapal Bharti only if we do.
One more is there, Anulom Vilom.
Anulom Vilom, yes. Yeah, whatever you feel comfortable, start doing that. So all these exercises are very powerful. So that's why most of the people are doing. वो सिर्फ सिखाती है ये लेडी. शी टोल्ड मी कि आई टीच ओनली दिस मच. मैंने कहा यार इसके लिए आपके पास आ जाते. कहते हैं हाँ बहुत आते हैं लोग. राइट. Okay, so let's begin. It is quite possible to leave your home for a walk in the early morning air and return a different person, beguiled and enchanted. So, do you go for morning walk? Do you go for morning walk? No, no. Ishita says she's going. Okay, so I also don't go daily, but yeah, sometimes, not on weekend. Whenever my daughter, I drop my daughter to the school. So after coming back, so there is time of half an hour when my maid doesn't come. So I park my scooty in the ground only nearby. There is this garden, so I take only 2-3 rounds, and literally, guys, I feel literally magical after coming back. When I go inside that garden and when I come out, so like I'm a different person altogether. So we feel that magical air. We look at the moving leaves here and there, and I feel so happy. And sometimes you should hug those trees as well. So you will feel grounded. You will feel more stable in your footing. You will feel powerful. You will feel peaceful. So whenever you get that opportunity, so recently, like last to last month when I was on vacation with my family, when I went there, so there was a beautiful garden. So daily, morning, evening, so I was like hugging the trees. I was taking so many pics and I was enjoying like anything. Like जैसे वो छोटा बच्चा होता है, नहीं 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 यार बहुत मजा आ रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है, छोड़ने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा. मतलब ऐसे वो मैंगोस के ट्री से, जैसे आप यहीं पे खड़े हो, आप ऐसे ही उसको मैंगो को आप टच कर पा रहे थे. वो इतने मतलब नीचे थे. और मैं ट्रीज को हक करेगी थी. क्या पागलपंती है बच्चे वाली. मैं हस्बैंड मैंने कहा नहीं यार, इससे ना बहुत अच्छा होता है. बहुत मतलब माई ब्रदर एंड माई मदर ऑल्सो सेज, जैसे हम काव को भी ऐसे प्यार से, ऐसे दुलार से, ऐसे उसको टच करते हैं ना, तो उससे भी बीपी जिसका लो होता है वो डाउन हो जाता है, जिसका डाउन होता है वो हाई हो जाता है. मतलब वो बैलेंस हो जाता है. अगर इफ यू हैव दोस काइंड ऑफ इश्यूज ना, लाइक बीपी का, तो जो छोटी सी काव होती है ना, काव का जो बेबी होता है, काफ होता है, तो उसको आप ऐसे प्यार से सहलाते हो ना, तो जिसका लो होता है वो मतलब वो बीपी ठीक हो जाता है उससे. सो सी दीज स्मॉल स्मॉल एक्सरसाइजेस आर दैट मच पावरफुल, but we were never taught these things. So that's why I'm telling you again and again, be the lifelong learner. So there is not a single day gone by when I'm not learning anything new. When I'm not learning anything. Daily, 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 like I have given like this to me. This is my task that I have to do. I have to learn one thing new on daily basis. Till my last breath, I'll be learning. So this is the task. This is the, like I am my accountability partner. और एक और चीज के लिए अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर, व्हेन यू आर नॉट टेकिंग योर अकाउंटेबिलिटी, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू गो टू सोशल मीडिया. ओके, सो यू बिकम माय अकाउंटेबिलिटी पार्टनर. दैट आई डिड ऑन 1st January. So I declared on 1st January that this year in 2026 I will be reading 12 books. And every month, at the end of every month, so I'm posting it. So I told and I declared, if I don't post like which book I have read, so you have to remind me. I declared. So now this is my responsibility. Na? I have to like post at the end of every month that, yeah, I have read this book. So otherwise, so when was the last time when I was reading the books? I was not reading any books. So this year only, like, abhi recently, like 7 books I'm done with 7 books. Magic पढ़ लिया, Power पढ़ लिया, Hero पढ़ लिया, Secret पढ़ लिया, Countdown to Riches पढ़ लिया, और भी एक दो, मतलब ऐसे 7 books I have read. Right? So you can also take that challenge. If you think that you can't do it, so declare it on the social media. That's, yes, I'll be doing it. You have to be my accountability partner. Right? Okay, so if someone had told me a few years back to be grateful for the air that I breathe, I would have thought the person was crazy. Does it happen to you? अगर कोई बोले कि एयर के लिए आपको ग्रेटफुल करना है, if I'll be telling somebody that you have to be grateful for air, that person will be telling me, are you gone mad? Are you crazy? एयर के लिए कौन ग्रेटफुल होता है? Why not? Because we are getting it for free, so we should take it for granted? No. It wouldn't have made a bit of sense to me Why on earth would anyone be grateful for the air they breathe? So why we have to be grateful? Why not? But as my life changed from using gratitude, the things that I look for granted or didn't give a second thought about became an absolute miracle to me. I went from sweating the small stuff in my little world and day to day life to opening my eyes and thinking about the bigger picture and wonder of the universe. When you start seeing the aerial view. Okay, so abhi jaise let's say, अरे where is my book today? आज मैंने मैजिक बुक नहीं ओपन की अपनी. आई एम रीडिंग फ्रॉम हेयर ओनली फ्रॉम द स्क्रीन. So let's say this is my book. I think this is in another room. Okay, so let's say you have to read this book. So if I keep the book like this, will I be able to read the book? If I keep it very close to my eyes, no, I won't be able to, right? So if I keep it a little far away, so then only I'll be able to read it. So what I'm trying to say is, what is the meaning of this paragraph? If we, if we, detach ourselves, like, you must have traveled in a plane. When we are in the plane, everything on the ground looks very small, very tiny. So same with the problems. अभी हमें problems जो इतना मतलब बड़ी लगती हैं. Okay, so if we see the aerial view, तो it will be like very small. जैसे अभी ये बुक नहीं पढ़ी जा रही है, इसको थोड़ा दूर रखोगे सब समझ में आएगा. जैसे वो प्लेन में है, जब पास होते हैं तो बड़ी बड़ी दिखते हैं, दूर होते हैं तो छोटी छोटी दिखते हैं. जब हम थोड़ा ऊंचा जाते हैं तो हमें सब कुछ साफ दिखाई देता है. When we evolve, our problems dissolve. That is the meaning of this. When we evolve, our problems dissolve. When we start seeing the aerial view, सारी चीजें छोटी 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 हो जाती हैं. Right? So as the great scientist Newton said, when I look at the solar system, I see the earth at the right distance from the sun to receive the proper amounts of heat and light. This didn't happen by chance. क्या लग रहा है ये सब बाय चांस हो गया? अर्थ की प्लेसमेंट, मून की प्लेसमेंट, सन की प्लेसमेंट, सारे प्लैनेट्स की प्लेसमेंट, एवरी प्लैनेट इज वर्किंग इन द सिंक्रोनिसिटी. कैसे ये सब आपस में काम कर रहे हैं? थोड़ा सा भी एक भी प्लैनेट ऊपर नीचे हो गया, सब कुछ खत्म. एवरीथिंग विल बी वैनिश्ड. हाउ दे आर वर्किंग इन द सिंक्रोनिसिटी. जितना उसका डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए, बिल्कुल प्रॉपर अमाउंट में जितनी सनलाइट आनी चाहिए. हैव यू ब्लोन एनी कैंडल? कैंडल कितनी देर चलती है? हाफ एन आवर, 1 आवर, 2 आवर, राइट? और वो सन कब से चल रहा है? अभी मेरी एज 44 है, राइट? 44 ईयर से तो मैं देख रही हूं सन को. वो बिल्कुल वैसे ही जल रहा है. वैसे ही चला आ रहा है. सनसेट भी हो रहा है, सनराइज भी हो रहा है, राइट? और प्रॉपर अमाउंट में जितनी सनलाइट चाहिए, जितना सब चाहिए, वो पूरा कैसे सिंक्रोनिसिटी में काम हो रहा है, पूरा सोलर सिस्टम. कैन यू गाइज इमेजिन कैसे, मतलब पूरी धरती का पूरा ये जो ब्रह्मांड, पूरा यूनिवर्स कैसे काम कर रहा है? So those words made me think more and more about the bigger picture. If we see the bigger picture कि कैसे वो पूरा वो काम कर रहा है. हमसे छोटे मोटे काम नहीं होते पूरे घर के. एक छोटा सा घर नहीं संभलता हमसे. यूनिवर्स से पूरा यूनिवर्स संभाल रखा है. अर्थ इज ओनली वन प्लैनेट. अर्थ इज ओनली वन प्लैनेट एंड देयर आर अदर्स प्लैनेट एज वेल. So those words made me think more and more about the bigger picture. It's not an accident that there is protective atmosphere surrounding us and that beyond it there is no air or oxygen. See, अभी यहाँ पे जितनी हमें ऑक्सीजन चाहिए उतनी प्रॉपर पूरी उतना सब कुछ है. बट अबव दैट देर इज नो एयर, देर इज नो ऑक्सीजन. जैसे मून पे चले जाए, मून पे ऑक्सीजन नहीं है, एयर नहीं है, राइट? सो व्हाई इट इज देयर ऑन द अर्थ ओनली? सो दैट इज द सिस्टम. everything has a system. एवरीथिंग इज वर्किंग प्रॉपरली. कुछ भी ऐसे ही कुछ रैंडम कोइंसिडेंस, कोई लक ऐसे सब कुछ नहीं होता है. एवरीथिंग इज प्लान्ड. ये पूरा कैसे सोलर सिस्टम पूरा अच्छे से प्लान किया हुआ. इट्स नॉट एन एक्सीडेंट दैट द ट्रीज गिव ऑफ ऑक्सीजन सो दैट आवर एटमॉस्फेयर continually replenished, कितने अच्छे से मेंटेन किया हुआ है. It's not an accident that our solar system is perfectly placed, and that if it were anywhere else in the galaxy, we would most likely be devastated by cosmic radiation. अगर हम किसी और planet पे होते तो can we survive? No, we cannot survive. We will be devastated by the cosmic radiation. There are thousands of parameters and ratios that support life on Earth. Thousands of parameters. कितने पैरामीटर फॉलो करने के बाद वो पूरा इतना अच्छे से वो सोलर सिस्टम का को कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया है. सो देर आर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ पैरामीटर, सारे परमुटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन सब पूरे सेट करके इसके साथ ये जा रहा है, 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 और जितना डिस्टेंस पे होना चाहिए पूरा उस हिसाब से वर्क कर रहा है. ऑल ऑफ देम आर ऑन अ नाइफ एज. वाई ऑन नाइफ एज? थोड़ा सा भी इधर उधर हो गया, कैन यू इमेजिन? Everything will be devastated. Everything will be over. We all are on a knife edge. बस गॉड की थोड़ी सी वो दिखाने की वो है यूनिवर्स की, और लाइक वी कैन थिंक ऑफ दैट. एंड देयर फाइन ट्यूनिंग इज सो क्रिटिकल. कितनी उनकी फाइन ट्यूनिंग है आपस में. हम एक फैमिली में 4 बंदों के बीच में अपनी फाइन ट्यूनिंग नहीं बिठा सकते. इसका उसका, तेरा मेरा, इसका उसका. This is because of him, this is because of her. He said this to me, she said this to me. Always blaming, complaining, criticizing. You know, the way you look at the things you look at start to change. आप अपना नजरिया बदलो, नजारे बदल जाएंगे. The way you look at the things you look at start to change. Right? And their fine tuning is so critical that a fraction of a difference in any of these parameters and ratios would make life unlivable on planet Earth. We are on, knife edge. एक भी पैरामीटर थोड़ा सा इधर उधर हो गया, life will become unlivable. रह नहीं पाएंगे. It is difficult to believe any of these things could have happened by accident. ये सब एक्सीडेंट से नहीं हुआ. It would seem that they are perfectly designed. They are perfectly designed, they are perfectly placed, they are perfectly balanced for us. Even before we came on this planet Earth. तो पूरा हर चीज हमें भगवान ने हमारे इस यूनिवर्स में आने से पहले प्लेटर में सजा के दी है. Trees, oxygen, water, everything we have got in platter. Everything. When the realization hits you that all of these things might not be an accident, and that the balance of every microscopic element surrounding Earth and on Earth is perfect harmony to support us. So I told you, microscopic element. What are these elements? So how the air is formed? Only trees are not contributing. Trees are only contributing 50%. And what are the other elements? What are these other microscopic elements? So many other elements are also there. Under the sea, glaciers, mountains, everything has their own role to play. So you will feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude for life, because all of it has been done to sustain you so that you can live on this planet Earth beautifully, comfortably, safely, like this. अभी तो हम ऐसे पल रहे हैं. We all are living a dream life. The magical air that you breathe is not an accident or a fluke of nature. When you think about the enormousness of what had to take place in the universe for us to have air, and you then take a breath, breathing air into your body becomes breathtaking in every sense of the word. Literally, it is breathtaking for us. How the universe is formed. Have you seen the enormousness of this universe? इसकी विशालता, मतलब कितना, मतलब कैसे क्रिएट किया गया, how it was created. So many things took place before we came on this planet Earth, how this was formed. Otherwise, it was not possible for anybody to create that enormousness of this universe. Nobody can create. कितनी चीजें, कितने परमुटेशन, कॉम्बिनेशन, पैरामीटर्स, एलिमेंट, सब वो पूरा उनका तालमेल सब बिठाना पड़ा होगा, तब जाके ये क्रिएट हुआ. We take one breath after another, and never give a thought to the fact that there is always air for us to breathe. But we are being very ungrateful. Yet oxygen is one of the most plentiful elements in our body, and as we breathe, it feeds every cell in our body so that we can continue to live. The most precious gift of our life is air. Because without it, none of us would last more than a few minutes. We cannot live more than few minutes. Few minutes कहाँ, मिनट तो रह ही नहीं सकते. Without it, none of us would last more than a few minutes. When I first began to use gratitude's magical power, I used it for a lot of personal things that I wanted. Yeah, for personal things, so we are doing a lot of gratitude. ये चाहिए, success चाहिए, घर चाहिए, गाड़ी चाहिए, everything we want. But are we being grateful for the Mother Earth? Are we being grateful for the air, for the oxygen? And it worked. उसके लिए भी वर्क करेगा, सक्सेस के लिए, गाड़ी के लिए, हाउस के लिए, फॉर एवरीथिंग लाइक ग्रेटिट्यूड विल वर्क. But it was when I began to be grateful for the real gifts in life. And what are the real gifts of life? Trees, oxygen, water, rivers, seas, sun, moon, nature, trees, land, that I experienced the ultimate power of gratitude. If you are being grateful, you will be able to feel the ultimate power of gratitude. The more grateful I became for the sunset. When I used to, when I was in Goa, so you also must have gone to Goa. I think you people went with me only. So when there was sunset or sunrise, so we were being very grateful, isn't it? Right? Have you seen the beautiful sunset there? कितना सुंदर लगता है ना मॉर्निंग में पूरा सनराइज और सनसेट. हाउ ब्यूटीफुल इट वाज. And when we were standing at the bank of that ocean, by spreading the arms, and we were like, the whole ocean is mine, the whole sky is mine, everything belongs to me only. We are so abundant. The way ocean is abundant, we are also abundant. Okay, so that I experienced the ultimate power of gratitude. The more grateful I became for a sunset, a tree, the ocean, the dew on the grass, my life, and the people in it, every material thing I have ever dreamed of having poured down upon me. I now understand the reason why it happened that way. When we can feel truly grateful for the precious gifts of life and nature, like the magical air that we breathe, we have reached one of the deepest possible levels of gratitude. If we can be grateful for the air, Mother Earth, nature, sunset, moon, sun, earth, so we can feel that deepest level of gratitude. And if we feel the deepest level of gratitude, that means more feelings. We will generate more feeling. We will be able to feel more deeply. And what will happen? We will be able to create magic into our life. We will be able to attract whatever we want, whatever desires we have. And whoever has that depth of gratitude will receive absolute abundance. The person who has that depth of gratitude. Why the result of gratitude varies person to person? Because those people who are feeling at the depth, so they are creating like magnificent outcome. Okay, so it depends on person to person. How do you feel? What is the depth of your feeling? So today stop and think about the glorious air that you breathe. Take 5 deliberate breaths. So once we have done in the beginning and once we'll be doing at the end as well. And feel the feeling of the air moving inside your body and feel the joy of breathing it out. Take 5 full breaths in and out 5 different times today. And after you have taken each set of 5 breaths, so we have to do this practice 5 times in a day tomorrow. Okay, so once we have done and once we'll be doing. Okay, and tomorrow also you have to do 3 to 4 times or 5 times. Okay, or you can put the alarm as well after 3 hours. Set an alarm and sit for 2-3 minutes and you just have to breathe in and breathe out 5 times and you just have to feel, gratitude and you just have to say thank you. Thank you for that magical air that we breathe in, right? So say the magic words. Thank you for the magical air that I breathe. Thank you for the magical air that I breathe. And be as genuinely grateful as you can for the precious life-giving air that you breathe. it is best if you can do this magical practice outside, like in the balcony, in the garden, in any park, near the plants, if you can do this exercise. Okay. So I usually do it at the night time when I'm like waiting for my husband. So chalte firte jaise 5 times we can do outside in the balcony. It is best if you can do this magical practice outside so that you can really feel and appreciate the magnificence of the fresh air. But if that is not possible, then do it inside. You can close your eyes while taking the breath, or you can do it with your eyes open. You can do it while you are walking, waiting in line, shopping, or anywhere at any time you want. The important thing is to deliberately feel the feeling of the air going in and out of your body. So you just have to see how you are, deeply breathing in, how you are breathing out, how are you inhaling, how are you exhaling, like that. You just have to feel, you have to see कि अब कैसे सांस अंदर जा रही है, बाहर जा रही है, and you have to deeply feel that. Yes, thank you. The important thing is to deliberately feel. Breathe the way you naturally breathe. जैसे breathe करते हो वैसे ही breathe करना, because this magical practice is not about your breathing but about your gratitude for the air you breathe. तो हमने ये नहीं देखना कि कैसे हम ब्रीथ कर रहे हैं, बट हमें लिटरली वी हैव टू फील दैट यस वी आर सो ब्लेस्ड, वी आर सो ग्रेटफुल दैट वी हैव दैट एयर. ओके. So breathe the way you naturally breathe, because this magical practice is not about your breathing, it's about your gratitude. It's about gratitude for the air you breathe. If taking a bigger breath helps you to feel more gratitude, then do that. If it helps to make a sound or mentally say the magic words thank you. So you can sound as well. You can take your voice out like thank you for the magical air we breathe in, or you can do it in the mind as well. मन में भी कर सकते हो. As you breathe the air out, then do that. If you want, you can also do a variation of this practice in the future. Variation, how you can do, like Kapalbhati, Pranayam, Anulom Vilom. So it's up to you. So you can bring the variation, or box breathing. पहले 5 seconds के लिए लिया, then you have to stop, then you have to breathe out. So like that, box breathing also you can do. By imagining you are breathing in gratitude and filling yourself up with it, and with every breath you take. In ancient teachings, it is said that when a person reaches the point of being deeply grateful for the air that they breathe, their gratitude will have reached a new level of power, and they will have become the true alchemist. Who is alchemist? Who can effortlessly turn every part of their life into gold. So you can also become the alchemist of your life. Who is alchemist? The person who can change the ordinary person to extraordinary person, who can bring out the best out of you. So you can also become that alchemist, that you can bring out the best in front of your very eyes. So you have that power. You can change every ordinary thing to extraordinary. How? With the power of gratitude. Because gratitude shapes your life. Okay, so magic practice number 23. So now we will read how we exactly have to do this practice. The magical air that we breathe. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you are grateful. Reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, and thank you. And feel as grateful for that blessing that you can. 5 times today, stop and think about the glorious air that you breathe. Take 5 deliberate breaths and feel the feeling of the air moving inside your body, and feel the joy of breathing it out. Okay, so 5 times you have to do it. 5 times. 5 times, 3 घंटे के बाद कर लोगे तो भी 5 times हो जाएगा, and 1 at a time. So you have to take 5 breaths. 5 breaths in, 5 breaths out. Okay, so this is how you have to do. After you have taken the 5 breaths, say the magic words, thank you for the magical air that I breathe. Be as grateful as you can for the precious life-giving air that you breathe. Okay, so just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, thank you for the best thing that happened during the day. Got it, everyone? Okay, any question on this? So this is a very simple exercise. 5 times in a day tomorrow, you have to do this practice. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so let's say once you are doing in the morning, okay, when you wake up, and then in the afternoon, then in the evening, and wo evening or night ke beech ka time, and then at night you can do this practice. 5 times you just have to breathe in, breathe out, and you have to feel and you have to say thank you for the magical air that I breathe in. Thank you for the magical air that I breathe in. Okay, got it? Any question? Simple. कर लोगे सारे? No question? Okay.
No.
Thank you. Yes.